Look over there. That's a Legrelliae pomegranate. Where is it? I planted it there decades ago, at least 30 years ago. It's never been watered since. Look at it, it's only an ornamental, it doesn't set fruit. It's got double fruit. I mean, it has double flowers. Very ornamental. Very drought resistant, very ornamental. It's been there for decades, growing in heavy clay in the Lachlan Valley. Cold, wet winters with heavy frost, and hot, dry summers, heavy clay, when the ground is baked like a rock. It's a good ornamental. It doesn't set fruit, it's sterile. Reproduction isn't everything after all. Beauty is something else. Isn't it lovely? I'll go over and have a look in a minute closer. Very pretty. Legrelliae. Legrelliae. Named after the person who bred it, I suppose. Or was it Madame? I'm not sure now, you'd have to read all about it. Let's go over and have a look. It has some of the gorgeous orange brilliance of an ordinary pomegranate. That bright orange colour, orange-red flower. But it has more. It's got extra layers of petals, like a flamenco dancer's dress. They do look, that's the normal colour of a pomegranate, isn't it, of a pomegranate flower. But there's more to it than that. It's a pity that they don't set fruit, but you can't have everything. It has double petals. Let's do a little handheld. It's got double flowers, or double layers of petals or something. Well, whatever it is, it's sterile anyway. It doesn't set fruit. But it's extremely drought resistant and very ornamental. Look, it's got so many. It's been a wettish spring this year, so it's doing better. Got to be careful a spider doesn't bite me. Sometimes spiders lurk inside a flower, don't they? I have been bitten before by little white spiders. Look at that one. Like a flamenco dancer's dress, as I said. Well, here's a good example of the flamenco look. Look at that, where are we? Pretty, very pretty. So, they're very ornamental. You can tell by looking at them, the back of the flower doesn't have a swelling. It'll never swell up, it'll never get pregnant. It'll never swell. That's another beautiful one in there. Look at that. That's a flamenco dress. Flamenco dancer's dress. A lovely little shrub, extremely drought resistant. I think pomegranates live to around 75 years, but this grows from cuttings. I've grown it from cuttings before. Quite easy to grow with cuttings. Of course, a bit of rooting hormone will help. Hello, pretty flamenco dancer. Let's show us your petticoat. Yes, there's an extra layer of petals in there. Hope there are no snakes around here. And we've got bare legs. I am wearing gumboots, but look at that, isn't it lovely? Extra layers of petals. Extra layers of petticoats. Pomegranate, so it's Punica, granatum, and the variety or the cultivar is Legrelliae. Legrelliae? Oh, that's a nice one under there. Look at that one. They're all gorgeous. Beautiful little shrub. Extremely drought resistant, deciduous of course. You won't get fruit, but you won't be disappointed anyway. Pomegranates can get fruit fly in Australia, so this one won't attract any fruit fly at all, despite its ornament. So it's very ornamental, but no fruit fly. There we go. Gorgeous petals. Gorgeous petals. It's a bit windy today. You get a lovely display. You'll be well rewarded. They might come back into fashion. There's always fashions in growing things. Look at that beautifulness. Flamenco dresses. Aren't they lovely? Da-da-da. Aren't they gorgeous? Here are some unopened buds. Unopened buds. Very ornamental, very decorative. Very decorative. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Really great for Australian gardens. No fruit fly. No fruit fly. Oh. Lovely down here. So here I am way down the paddock with this abandoned tree. I planted it decades ago, but it's been abandoned. I went on to plant them elsewhere around the house. But it's very beautiful. Isn't it lovely? Gorgeous. Gorgeous little shrub. Punica, granatum, Legrelliae. It is an abandoned little shrub, but it is very beautiful. Gorgeous. To think that you can stand the heat all on your own under this gum tree down here. There's a big gum tree above. I hope it doesn't fall on my head. It's a very old gum tree. Gorgeous branches. And then branches of blossoms. Petticoats. Look at the frightening tree above. I hope it doesn't fall on my head. It's a dreadful gum tree above that could drop its branches at any time on my head. There's that sound in the background is cicadas. That's cicada season. It's cicada season, everybody. And it's pomegranate blossom time. Hooray! Even in this overgrown and abandoned place, it survived so well. Imagine how it would do if it had water.